Class 147. Inductive transducer. Here, self-inductance of a coil or mutual inductance between sorry or mutual inductance between two coils is changed by the physical phenomena, say force, displacement, pressure, torque, acceleration, vibration, or anything. You have two types again here, linear and rotary. So linear variable differential transformer or rotary variable differential transformer. It is also known as differential transformer, displacement transformer, or displacement transducer, etc. etc. We will see LVDT. See, very simple here. You have a core here. Actually, it is like this. You can see the core is inside here, dotted lines. It is a core. And you have a primary coil, one primary coil. See, one primary coil. And two secondary coils. See, this one, another this one, which are connected in opposite polarities. They are connected in series. When the core is in the perfect middle, voltages induced in both the coils will be equal. And since they are connected in opposite polarity, output will be equal to ES1 minus ES2. Since ES1 is equal to ES2, you will get here an output positive, say, means phase. We can, in AC there is no positive, but the output will be in phase with the input. You move the, now that is at the perfect middle position, that is the reference position of the core. Suppose you move this core into left. Now the voltage induced in ES1 will be more. This is a transformer here, primary and secondary. Voltage here applied will get induced in the secondary also. If you move this to left, ES1 will be higher and ES2 will be lower. So you will get output here, some output. And if the polarity of ES1 and the primary is same, you will get the phase angle of the output will be same as input. If the core moves to right side, then ES2 will be larger than ES1. So output will be ES1 minus ES2 negative, means out of phase with the input. So this is the linear variable differential transducer. Similarly, we have angular type here. See, this is a primary single coil. Secondary, again we have two coils, but in connected in series opposition, two identical coils. Now this is a core which is now rotating here. When the core is like this, symmetrical with respect to secondary, voltage induced here and here will be same, output will be 0. When shaft is rotating like this in this direction, then see voltages induced in ES in the S0 and S1 coil will not be identical. Say this has rotated say some degrees. Now this will have closer core. This will not have closer core. So this will get lesser flux. This will get more flux. So here you will get lesser voltage. Here you will get more voltage. So like this, you can determine the angular displacement. Comparison is also given here, application also. Thank you.